10 health benefits of kale. Kale is often hailed as a superfood, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Its impressive nutrient profile makes it an essential part of a balanced diet. Here are 10 health benefits of kale that make it a must-have vegetable in your meals. 1. Rich in antioxidants, kale is a great source of antioxidants, including vitamin C and A, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and promote healthy aging. 2. Promotes heart health, packed with fiber, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Kale helps reduce cholesterol and blood pressure, supporting cardiovascular health. 3. Boosts immune system. With its high vitamin C content, kale strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. 4. Supports bone health. Kale is rich in calcium and vitamin K, both of which are crucial for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. 5. Improves digestion. High in fiber, kale aids digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and supporting gut health. 6. Helps detoxify the body. The sulfur compounds in kale assist in liver detoxification, helping to eliminate harmful toxins from the body. 7. Regulates blood sugar. Kale's fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it a good choice for those looking to manage their blood sugar. 8. Promotes healthy skin. Packed with vitamin C and A, kale supports skin health by boosting collagen production and protecting against UV damage. 9. Supports weight loss. Low in calories and high in fiber, kale helps you feel full longer, aiding in weight management. 10. Reduces inflammation. Kale contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to various diseases. Kale is more than just a trendy superfood, it's a nutrient-dense vegetable that supports heart health, digestion, immune function, and much more. Including kale in your diet can help improve overall health and well-being, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to lead a healthier lifestyle. Add kale to your meals and experience these health benefits for yourself. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.